Konbanwa. Konbanwa in English, good evening. Yokatane. Yokatane in English, good for you. Monday janai. Monday janai in English, it's not a problem. Watashi wa suriga kinerimasen. Watashi wa suriga kinerimasen. In English, I don't like it. Sorimimasen. Sorimimasen in English. Excuse me. Anatawa naisai desu ka? Anatawa naisai desu ka? In English, how old are you? Ikura desu ka? Ikura desu ka? In English, how much is it? Honke desu ka? Honke desu ka? In English, are you sure? Wakarimasu ka? Wakarimasu ka? In English, do you understand? Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. In English, nice to meet you. Watashi wa genki desu. Watashi wa genki desu. In English, I'm fine. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. In English, hello. Gomen. Gomen. In English, I'm sorry. Arigato. Arigato. In English, thank you. Genki. Genki. In English, how are you? Anata wa kiteimasu. Anata wa kiteimasu. In English, are you coming? Koriwanane desu ka? Koriwanane desu ka? In English, what is this? Nanete itano. Nanete itano. In English, what did you say? Sayonara. Sayonara. In English, goodbye.